Each week, an average of 3.5 million Americans will experience a power outage in their home. In a 2-year span, more than 70 million experienced an outage that lasted more than 24 hours. Storms come and storms go. But what happens when the power goes? According to the latest national averages, a power outage can do more than leave you and your family in the dark. It can drain your pocketbook. Think of what you have to lose without the backup protection of a Briggs & Stratton home standby generator. $150 a night in a hotel, plus a good night's sleep in your own bed. Over $200 in lost, spoiled food. No, not the waffles, pizza, and ice cream. Oh, you don't even want to know what a flooded basement will run you. $1,900 for cleaning, and thousands to put in new flooring. About $3,000 to redo the walls. A few hundred to repair the furnace and AC. Oh, then there's the mold removal. Figure another $3,000 for that. Or you can make one small investment in a home standby generator from Briggs & Stratton and not think twice about it. What you stand to gain outweighs what you have to lose. Night lights are important. Keeping them healthy and well fed matters. Alert and refreshed, ready for the day. And at the end of the day, you can look back knowing you've done your part to maintain your household, without letting something as unavoidable as a power outage stand in the way of your family's comfort and well-being. So, what do you have to lose? Home standby generators from Briggs & Stratton, the power experts for more than 105 years, and the name nearly 60 million households rely on every day to power their outdoor equipment. These aren't just standby generators, they're generators that stand by you.
And now, we're proud to announce our newest product, the Champion Home Standby Generator. Designed and engineered in the US, our 8.5 kilowatt home standby generator is the perfect choice for providing your home with a permanent source of backup power. In the event of a power outage, the Champion Home Standby Generator automatically starts and delivers continuous electrical power to your home. And since it's connected to your LPG or natural gas system, it never needs refueling. Our innovative Gullwing design provides easy access to the engine and control panel for simple installation and maintenance. The enclosure is a durable, all-weather design that will protect the generator from the elements while also being highly resistant to rust and corrosion. Additionally, the Champion Home Standby Generator comes with an all-weather composite mounting pad for easy installation. This easy access design allows a full view of the onboard control system, which controls all of the functions of the home standby generator, including utility monitoring, automatic transfer switch control, automatic start and stop functions, automatic weekly testing and exercise functions, and fault indications. The Champion Home Standby Generator comes with an innovative 24-volt starting system. The system is designed to ensure that the generator starts reliably under any temperature, ranging from -22 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The onboard battery charger maintains the battery charge 24/7 to ensure plenty of starting power. The Champion-designed 439cc single-cylinder overhead valve engine is strength and reliability combined to provide 8.5 kilowatts of power continuously on LPG fuel, or 7.5 kilowatts continuously on natural gas fuel. The Champion-designed synchronous alternator is made of 100% copper windings for maximum power, while producing less than 5% total harmonic distortion to ensure safe use with even the most sensitive electronics. This 8.5 kilowatt rated unit produces 35.4 amps at 240 volts on LPG and 31.5 amps at 240 volts on natural gas. We know that sound matters, which is why we designed the Champion low-tone muffler, which reduces noise through a unique sound attenuating baffle system within the muffler and the enclosure. This, along with the sound dampening material lining the interior of the unit, makes the Champion Home Standby Generator the quietest in its class, just 59.5 decibels under normal operating conditions. The Champion Home Standby series is backed by a 5-year limited warranty and is ETL tested to UL 2200 standards for the US and CUL standards for Canada. The power of Champion, with our innovative power solutions and legendary customer service, places the customer as our #1 priority.
Think you couldn't afford an automatic standby generator? Well, think again. Introducing Generac's brand new PowerPack 7 kW automatic standby generator system, able to power your most essential circuits automatically. Its compact galvanneal steel enclosure is great for protection against the elements and is extremely rust resistant. It also allows for it to be installed as close as 18 inches away from a home or a building. All of your power and control wire connections are available on the outside of the generator for fast installation, and 3 of the 4 sides come off for greater serviceability. The unit also has a true power alternator which provides less than 5% total harmonic distortion, or THD, to power your most sensitive electronics. The PowerPack features a digital LED display for the controller interaction. It's available in its own viewing window, so you don't have to open the actual generator enclosure to get at it. The backlit LED buttons are bright so that you can always know what status it is in, and you can set the exercise automatically by simply holding down a button. It also is compatible with the remote monitoring MobileLink device, which allows you to monitor your generator status from anywhere you are, from a tablet, smartphone, or a computer. The PowerPack is also an extremely quiet unit, especially when compared to portables. Its galvanneal steel enclosure has sound-resistant foam on the inside to further deaden the sound emissions. Portable generators, on the other hand, are open frame. You have to plug extension cords in it and run it to the appliances that you want to power. Also, you have to keep it filled with gas, which in the middle of bad weather may not be the most convenient thing to do. Automatic standby generators are hardwired into the home to provide power to the essential circuits that you've already selected automatically. It's also going to run continuously on natural gas or LP, so you don't have to worry about sloppy refills of gasoline or shutting it down for a while before it keeps going. Just a safer, better alternative. Hello everyone, my name is Jake Thomas and I am Generac's product manager for our air-cooled standby generator line. I'm pleased to introduce to you today the very first 22 kW air-cooled backup generator. Now, not only is Generac the leader in the backup generator category for the US, but we also realized that there was a value barrier for people that needed more than 20 kW. So we decided to embark on the path of creating the very first 22 kW backup air-cooled generator. Previously, if somebody wanted to get this much power, they would have to use a liquid-cooled system, which is easily double the cost. So this is the best value in terms of backup power. It also comes with all of the great features that people have come to expect from the Guardian product line. It features our Generac OHVI engine built right here in Whitewater, Wisconsin, our innovative Evolution control. It also comes in an all-weather aluminum enclosure to protect it from the elements, which can be installed as close as 18 inches away from a building. Not only does this generator also provide the largest amount of power available in an air-cooled backup generator system, it also uses our True Power technology, which provides less than 5% THD, or total harmonic distortion. For more information about the Guardian 22 kW backup generator, log on to Generac.com.
It's okay.
La victime, inconsciente, a été transportée à l'hôpital.
Aí, Pedro, preciso de você na casa, Davi, ajuda ele.
对，你先把这弄上，对。